Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EXTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today there was a nice bounce that occurred on the bull's part. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was actually all the way down there, and that the price then was able to close right there, any rational person would say, yeah, the price actually did make a very nice bounce. But that leads to the valid question now going forward of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $5.85. Why is $5.85 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with true power, with genuine strength, so a bounce that's truly a bounce, well, it's going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 585. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it was when it was flirting with these lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back a bit, does something like this, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And sure, it wouldn't be some sort of epic bounce, but it would still be a bounce. It would still be upwards price movement. And I'm not saying this is going to reverse, but every reversal has to start somewhere. So sure, it pulling back and bouncing is nothing, overly exciting, but it would still, any way you look at it, represent progress. And again, that's what a true bounce, a true price, a true price movement with power behind it is going to do. It's going to just simply make progress. And again, progress in this situation being defined as $5.85. So overall, though, no doubt about it, nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the price keep on making progress? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.